All right, let's check these out. What do you know at this point? You know where this is. So it's a 0 with the x. So that's a 0, and then you know the vertex is -5. So you goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, so it'll be 0 and -5. I don't know if you've gone over in your class kind of the pattern of how these goes, but if I have y equals x squared, when I plug in a 1, I get a 1. When I plug in a 2, I get a 4. And when I plug in a 3, I get a 9. So if I plug in a 1, I get a 1. If I plug in a 2, I get a 4. And if I plug in a 3, I get a 9. So that is the super duper awesome fast way of doing this. If you don't know that, I need to plug in 1 and see what it actually gives me. When I plug it in and do the math, I get -4, which is right there. When I plug in 2, the next one over, and I do my math, I get a -1, which is right there. And then the same thing on this side, that if I actually plug it in, I get a -4. If I plug it in, I get a -1. Roots, we gotta factor this bad boy. So we have what, x and 3 and 1 and negative and negative. So we set equal to 0, we get 1, 0 and 3, 0. So here and here. And in terms of parabolas, it's got to be, the vertex has to be right exactly in the middle of that. So it's got to be 2, something. I can plug 2 in here, and I get a -1. And then I can graph from there. So over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, because I square it. Over 3, up 9. Here is my pretty picture. Of course, I can actually plug in 1 and plug in 0 and get what the numbers are as well.